In this episode of Harbor Freight Review, we are going to be looking at the Chicago Electric 2.5 horsepower heavy-duty plunge router, item number 37793. This router features a 2.5 horsepower 15 amp motor, a 2.5 inch plunge depth capacity, 3 adjustable plunge settings, and is great to cut precision moldings, rabbets, dados, dovetails, and recesses for inlays.
Hey guys, today we're talking about the Chicago Electric plunge router. Now, I bought this to replace my old Porter cable plunge router that I had, and that thing was probably like 20 years old, and it still worked. It was great. I just decided it was time for a replacement, and let me tell you, this thing, super powerful. I was using it on some oak board, cut right through it, no hesitation whatsoever. It's got a couple cool things about it. Right here has a little preset adjustments for your plunge, so you can set it to your preset depths whenever you feel like it, and you know, keep some guides in place. There's really not too much to say about this thing. It's a little heavy, but it also has a super powerful motor behind it, and the only other thing that I'll say about it is the plunge on it is a little stiff. You gotta put some oomph behind it, but I also think that might just be mine because I don't use it very often. I haven't broken in those springs yet, but overall, awesome for a plunge router. If you need one, I'd highly recommend it. Alright guys, now into something totally serious. How does the Chicago Electric plunge router fare in a zombie apocalypse? Well, really, it doesn't. There's really no use I can think of except for dropping it off a building that it would be useful for. So on a scale of 1 to gun, I'm going to give it a 1. I don't really see any kind of methodology you could put that says this thing is good in a zombie apocalypse. What?
It's got handles. You could like give it like a 2. It's got handles. You could whip it. It's got handles.
No.
Okay.
Hammer.
Okay. Okay. You're right.
Hey everyone, just want to let you know I'm not affiliated with Harbor Freight and they're not sponsoring me yet. I'm just doing this because I love Harbor Freight and all their tools. I've had lots of great experiences with them, and they're always helpful. The staff is really knowledgeable, and it's really, for the most part, the best bang for your buck. So just want to make it clear, definitely not sponsored yet, Harbor Freight. Call me. And I hope y'all enjoy the videos.